This is the third video in a series of 4 videos that show the 7 B-25s that were at Wheelless Airport, Dothan, Alabama in October 1968 when I was there. Most of them went on to new and glorious lives. This video is about N9443Z, a B-25 that was sectioned and subsequently attained renewed glory for 2 separate reasons. The nose and cockpit became a static display, plus was reportedly used for the cockpit scenes in the 1992 Mel Gibson movie Forever Young. Another B-25, N9443Z, named Photo Fanny, was flown in the movie. Other reports claim the nose and cockpit went to the Smithsonian, but I found no record of it being there. Another said its location is unknown. Still another report says it is now at the Pima Air and Space Museum, Tucson, Arizona, although I could not find it listed in their website. Perhaps, judging from this photo by Tom Tesser, it is in Pima Air's shop getting some additional restoration. The fuselage is reported to have been used in the rebuilding of N3681G, which became Access Nightmare. After restoration, it was first flown in 1988, and the latest flight I found was in 2007 in the Thunder over Michigan show. This aerial visuals photo is the only other photo I've found on N9443Z at Wheelless Airport. This photo was taken in 1975. It is also featured on the Wheelless Airport webpage. Getting on into the evening and losing light. Another B-25J with N number N9463Z was parked number 5 at the west end of the 5 B-25 lineup. Instead of a sprayer rig, notice the dump hopper under the plane. From May of 1963 to 1974, N9463Z was part of the Dothan Aviation Corporation's fleet of B-25s that were converted to agricultural dusting and spraying planes. The heavy airplanes were used to spray fire ants, but after DDT was banned, they stopped flying them. This B-25 still had the tail gunner's windows and machine gun turret pretty much intact. I was able to gain access to this aircraft. Here we see the loading cover plates that were installed for loading insecticides. It was from this vantage point that I shot this overview of the lineup of B-25s. Back inside we see the condition of the cockpit and control panel. Looking up into the nose, you can see the insecticide chemical tank. As dark as it was, I was lucky to get much of a photo with my point-and-shoot Brownie camera. I didn't crawl up into the nose. I'm claustrophobic due to being stuck in a sewer when I was a kid. In 1974, N9463Z was airlifted from Wheelless Airport in Dothan, Alabama to Mobile, Alabama by a CH-54 heavy-lift helicopter to be displayed as Mary Alice II at the battleship USS Alabama Memorial. I have to believe someone photographed the transfer or took movies of it, but they haven't surfaced yet, to my knowledge. Here is Mary Alice II as she looked in 2003 on the Warbirds Resource Group website. Warbirds is a great website for aircraft photos along with their history. See the links below in the description. In this undated photo by Stuart Haig from airliners.net, Mary Alice II looks like it badly needs a paint job. Here's another photo at the USS Alabama Memorial by Dean Coriel, dated April 2013, that shows a drastic change in the paint scheme. If anyone has up-to-date information, please put it in the comments below or email me. I saw and photographed 7 B-25s at the Wheelless Airport. Please look at my 3 other B-25 YouTube videos for photos and history of the other planes. I'll place links to those videos in the description box. Thank you for watching them. Also, please look in the description box below for links to the history plus other newer photos of these B-25s that were taken by other photographers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exclusive videos you'll see no place else that show planes, trains, motorcycles, automobiles, and auto racing, including NASCAR.